it's MJ and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Ang weird. Ulit. Hey, it's MJ and welcome back to my channel, guys. Ayun, so napag-isipan ko na gumawa ng makeup tutorial. Ayun, gusto ko lang gawin yung makeup tutorial. I call this look peach makeup look slash tamad version. Okay, tamad version kasi obvious naman na tamad ako. Obvious ba hindi? Basta tamad akong tao. Ayoko yung masyadong madaming ina-apply sa mukha. So, ayun nga, andito yung mga products na gagamitin natin for this look. And these brands are locally available in a very affordable price. Swear. So, ayun nga guys, kasi nga tamad version ito. I'll make this quick. Sorry. We're gonna use the Uncover 2 from EB Advance. So, yun nga, itong Uncover 2 na eyeshadow palette na to ay nagkakahalagang 395 pesos, guys. Pero nabili ko lang siya ng 199 pesos. Bili ko na kasi, diba? 395 tapos nag-199, diba? Saan ka pa? Mag-start na tayo. Tanggalin ko muna tong eyeglass ko. Guys, disclaimer lang, hindi ako isang makeup artist. I-share ko lang sa inyo kung paano ko ginagawa yung tamad version ko na makeup, okay? Gamitin na natin itong shade na ito. Oh, may kasama pa pala siyang brush, guys, by the way. Here. Gamitin natin yung base, tong shade na ito. Magsiswatch pa ba ako ng mga... wag na siguro. So, ayun nga, I'm gonna use this one for my base. Oh. Very powdery siya, guys. Oh. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo, pero napaka-powdery niya. Tingnan natin sa mata. If, ba siya, pigmented ba or hindi. Wow. Next natin, i-apply ay itong... Ito, diretso na tayo sa peach, guys. So, ilalagay ko lang siya dito sa may part ng eye ko. And by the way guys, if you're blending your makeup, please take your time. Huwag kayong magmadali para makita nyo na maayos yung nyo sa eyes nyo, pagkaka-blend. Tapos na pala ako sa Tinted Sunscreen ko, which is the Belo Tinted Sunscreen, and hindi na ako magko-concealer. Masyado na mabigat para sa akin kasi pag magko-concealer pa ako. So, diretso na ako sa makeup ko, okay? Tayo ulit. So, ang next shade na gagamitan ko is ito, at ilalagay ko siya dito sa balik, kumuha lang ako ng darker shade. Ayun. I'm gonna use this one, this shade, para sa eyelids ko. Ayun, dumikit sa brush, gagamitin ko na lang yung kamay ko. ulitin lang natin yung ginawa natin sa kabila. So, tapos na tayo sa ikalawang shade. The next shade is this one. Okay? We're just doing it again, guys. We're not doing something special at the side. So, again, here, and then blend it in. And I'm doing this, guys. As you can see, nilibend ko na rin siya dito sa eyelids ko. Parang may sunset yung eyes ko ngayon, guys. And, ayun na pa rin lumikit sa brow. Ayun yan. Ito, gamitin ko na naman yung kamay ko. Tapos na tayo sa ating eyeshadow, guys. But we're not yet done for the look, okay? For my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Careline Dou liner. I think this is only 150, 160, I don't know, I'm not sure. Pero hindi ito abot ng 200. It's very budget-friendly itong tutorial natin. So, I'm just gonna fill in my brows using this one. I don't like to be extra with my eyebrows. I just like my eyebrows to look natural. You know, ayoko nung takadong-takado. Ayun lang. Just filling it in, guys. So the other one. Just filling it in. And I'm gonna use it spoolie. This eyebrow thing has already a spoolie, so you can use it. I'm just blending it using a spoolie, guys. Both sides, of course. And we're not gonna use mascara for setting this kasi tip ko lang yung ito lang siya. So we're done with our eyebrows and our eyeshadow. The next thing that we're going to use is eyeliner. Nabili ko siya ng 99 pesos lang and yung presyo niya is 199. And this eyeliner has a stamp. As you can see, it has a stamp. It's a pen eyeliner siya. So, madali din siya gamitin, diba? So, i-apply lang natin yung eyeliner. We're gonna use the stamp, guys, to see if it's really that cool, you know. Kasi for me, ang cool niya kasi meron siyang stamp. Try natin. We're gonna use the stamp, right? again, we're gonna use the stamp. Let's try for the second time if it it will work.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up. Nope.
Oh shit, I gave up. I don't know how to do this damn thing. Then we're gonna use the tip. Oh shit. Hindi siya pantay. Guys, hindi pantay yung eyeliner natin. Naburay ko dito. So, here guys, if nakikita nyo, diba yung nangyari sa situation ko, ay hindi pantay yung eyeliner ko. Antayin natin na mag-dry yung eyeliner bago natin burahin para hindi siya mag-smudge. Okay, so ayan. Guys, I'm back. Meron ako ditong alcohol at meron akong Q-tips. Lalagyan ko na yung sumobra dito sa may eyes ko. Para siya dito sa may right side. And we're gonna retouch this side again. And finally, guys, we're done with our eyeliner. This eyeliner sucks. It makes the look paka. Okay. So the last thing that we're going to use is no other than yes. This is detail, and I bought this for only 99 pesos, guys. Okay, again a 99 pesos. Yung dati price niya is 295, and I bought it for only 99 pesos. So we're gonna use this one for our lips. I have a tip for you guys if you want your lips to look natural, even though you're using a matte liquid lipstick. Blend it with your fingers after you put it in your lips, guys. It will make your look natural and simple. It will not make your lips look harsh. So I'm gonna apply the liquid lipstick on my lips, and I'm gonna blend it using my fingers. As you can see, guys, the liquid lipstick is not that harsh, diba? So this is our look, guys. This is the peach makeup look slash Tamad version. I'm just gonna finalize this look, okay? I'll be right back. And I'm back, and this is the final look, guys. Actually, biniba ko lang yung hair ko kanina. And this is my peach makeup look slash Tamad version. Perfect na pang outing, and perfect na pang parties or whatever. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Kung ayaw nyo din naman, hindi mag-dislike kayo. And please click the subscribe button, guys. Yes, click na yan. Comment kayo kung ano yung gusto nyo pagawa sa akin na video next time. And tignan natin sa mga kaya ko. Okay? That's it for today. Bye! See ya on my next video.